Today let's do an exciting and fun science experiment. But you have to follow one condition. You have to do it along with your parents. I'm doing this experiment along with my father. Let's start doing the science experiment. Here my brother and I are doing the experiment. First, draw a circle and make a spiral inside the circle and cut it out. Your snake is ready. Insert a needle into the chopstick. Take a tumbler, fill it with sand or salt and insert the chopstick. To make the snake stand on the needle that is inserted on the chopstick, fold it gently in the center of the snake or spiral. Place the spiral snake on the needle gently. Now place a candle under the snake and experience the magic. See, as soon as the candle is placed under the paper slithers just like a live snake. Here, I have a question for you. What sets the snake in motion? Even before knowing the answer, it is very nice to see and experience this magic. The answer is the flame of the candle heats the air and makes it less dense. As a result, the air rises up. The rising hot air sets the spiral snake in motion. If you see here, the snake is not rotating because the paper is folded tightly to the needle, making it not possible to move. So make sure the paper can rotate well and free. It was so interesting, right? The snake spun so well. I was so amazed by it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. When you light the candle, make sure that the fire does not touch the paper as shown here. Here is my brother's snake too.